Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Canva to create canvas. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Using Canva to create designs for physical canvases is a great way to produce personalized artwork, wall decoration, or promotional materials. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to create a new design from here in the top right or top left corner. And I want you to use the custom size, which is going to be found here. Now, the common canvas sizes includes like 24 for centimeters. All right, if you use centimeter right here, that's going to be like 24 going to 36. All right, so these are some of the options that you can do. Or if you're using inches right here, okay, let's try in 16 by 20. Okay, and from here, you might want to click on the create new design. What will happen is it would be forwarded here in this section, right? Where we can, of course, rename this. And you can upload all elements in this section, left part of your dashboard. I'm going to click on upload. All right. And from here, obviously, you can add more elements along the way. For example, if you wanted to add a dynamic background right here, for example, I'm going to be choosing this as the background. All right. Of course, you can put in as much as information as you can. So, for example, frames. Like graphics. How about this one right here? You create that. So kind of like this. Put it in the back. All right. Of course, you can put in a text if you wanted. For example, I'm going to be choosing this. Gonna be creating this around like 100. Gonna create an effect. Make it a little bit black, maybe. All right. Now, after this, you might want to click on the preview design. Right here, zoom in and out to see how the design looks in detail as a whole. Make sure everything appears clear and not pixelated. Right now, once you are satisfied with this, all you're gonna do is click the upper right corner where it says share. Now here, you need to select the download button wherein you can choose the PNG, which is suggested, best for complex images, illustrations, or JPEG, best for sharing, PDF standard, PDF print, SVG. All right. If you wanted to share this to multiple freelancers that you're working with, or a collaborator, or your team member, or even your client, just click on the copy link. If you want, however, to share this to your social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok, you can do so, or forward this as an attachment via email, WhatsApp, or iMessage. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.